Hello everyone, welcome back to another Watchin. Today I've got a quick box opening of the Watchgang CEO mystery box that I got off the wheel from Watchgang. Before we get to that, we'll do a quick wrist check and you'll see that I am wearing my LoomTech RR3. This actually was a watch that was a Watchgang Platinum watch. And I've had it for a number of years. Still love how it looks. Still love how it feels when I wear it. So it does get a fair amount of wrist time still to this day. Now, if you're unfamiliar with the wheel on Watchgang, it's kind of a fun way to buy watches if you want to spend the money for points. I've always just saved up my wheel spin points and use those. You can earn them by because of your subscription renewals. You can earn them from referrals and you can buy the points. Now, like I said, I've always just earned points and spun the wheel with the points that I've earned. The cool thing is there's different tier levels on the wheel and you could get upgraded to a higher tier level watch. Now, the CEO mystery box was a second tier watch. Wow, we got all kinds of stuff in here. So it was a second tier level watch, which if you were to have bought the points, it was 350 points. If you were to have bought the points, it would have costed around $160. And, you know, like I said, I earned the points. So now, this isn't the first mystery box that they've done, CEO mystery box. Now, the last CEO mystery box, it seemed like a lot of people were not super happy with. So I was a little hesitant to do this one, but you guys know me. I like a mystery. And we have a Ballast, which I like Ballast. And actually, if you look in my the notes for the video below, there's actually a promo code for Ballast. I also have promo codes for Spinnaker and Aviate as well. So you could click through and save yourself some money. So let's take a look at what we got here. Let's see if we've got a model number. So this is a BL-3145-44. Automatic. I really like the other Ballast that I have. It has a pretty unique setting mechanism on it. All right, now we've got all the plastics off. We can get a little bit better look at it here. I do like this multi-layered dial that they got going on. I like the Ballast logo in the top there. This one might have some pretty awesome loom. I'll have to check that out when we do the follow-up on it. Got Ballast logo on the crown. Or not the crown, but the crown protector. It's got a screw down crown protector. Kind of interesting one. I kind of like the holes that are going through the case. We've got oops, if my camera wanted to focus on there, we got a display case back. It's got an automatic movement. We've got the hidden butterfly style clasp on the bracelet. I actually like this style bracelet quite a bit. The only time I have an issue with these hidden butterfly clasp like that is you don't have any micro adjustments. So, you know, it could be a little bit harder to get it sized right to what you want because of that. Overall, pretty cool. I actually really like this one. So for my, free reward points that I use to, wheel points that I use to spin, pretty awesome. And I think, you know, if you were to have bought the points, it would have been $160, and I like a lot of what's going on this one. So stay tuned. I'll wear this one a bit and do a follow-up on it. Let's see what else we got. Oops. Kind of a different box here. So this one says from Wolf. Rat 3603. Kind of a cool extra little gift thrown in. Let's see what the other box here is. Keaton Michael. Well, it looks like we got a bracelet of some sort here. You know, pretty cool. Added gifts. You know, the bracelet is probably not something that I will wear. The little wallet rep might be something that gets used by me, so kind of cool. Cool additions to the CEO mystery box. But obviously the watch is the main attraction there, and I dig this one. I actually really like a lot of the stuff Ballast has. So, you know, like I said, click through the link I have below, check them out, see if there's anything you like. I'll have to do the usual, find out the specs and everything on this model, but I kind of dig it. Let me know what you guys think of this one in the comments below. As always, guys, thanks for watching.